Hello everyone, your Rishmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive festive collections only for you. I am also in festive look. So let me display the beautiful festive collections. This one is premium quality pure handloom muslin Banarosi, same design, same color combination. Today I have draped same material, premium quality pure handloom muslin Banarosi. This one is full base part. This one is contrast color red with golden zari weaving design, Banarosi weaving design border, fully hand weaving. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta work, golden zari and contrast red threaded weaving buta. And this one is full base part. And this one is pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy golden zari with Banarosi weaving design pallu. And this one is pure muslin Banarosi, premium quality pure handloom muslin Banarosi, transparent, same material, same color. Today I have draped. This one is full base part, beautiful one. Full base part is beautiful fine weaving buta design, golden zari weaving Banarosi border, contrast color red. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very nice one, elegant looks, based for your festive wear. Same material today I have draped, same color. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving Banarosi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive bright, beautiful, elegant festive looks. And this one also beautiful one, premium quality, very premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka with resham combined work, very nice one. This one is full base part, pure resham. This one is pure resham silk with beautiful fine weaving design buta, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design buta. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, sequin, cell sequin design with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu. This one is pure resham silk, very soft, comfortable, elegant, gorgeous looks. This one is pure resham silk, transparent with fine weaving buta design. And this one is beautiful pallu design, sequin, cell sequence design with hand weaving jamdani work, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design. And this one is half portion, beautiful resham, pure resham silk. And this one is pure handloom hand spun matka running blouse piece, hand spun matka running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, pure premium quality resham silk with jamdani buta, cell sequin work, very beautiful, elegant looks. This one is border portion, cell sequin design border. And full base part is beautiful jamdani buta work, very bright color, red shade, maroon red shade. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarosi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful one, pure muslin with Dhakai work, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom muslin and stripes pattern, beautiful matka stripes. This one is full base part. This one is beautiful one, 1 inch golden zari border. And full base part is matka stripes. These are fine stripes, weaving stripes by matka base. And this one is muslin stripes design with buta work, jamdani buta, golden zari jamdani work buta. This one is full base part, fine matka stripes with muslin stripes design matka and muslin fine stripes pattern, full base part. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving Dhakai jamdani work, very exclusive combination, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, beautiful one, fine muslin with matka stripes fine. And muslin portion is highlighted muslin portion, beautiful hand weaving buta work, 1 inch golden zari border, very nice one, exclusive smart looks. This one is running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, pallu is pure muslin with Dhakai work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarosi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, beautiful, gorgeous party looks, festive looks. Same material, very beautiful color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom one, matka with muslin combined work, 1 inch highlighted golden zari border, very smart one. This one is full base part, beautiful one, fine muslin and matka stripes design, fine self weaving stripes pattern. This one is 1 inch golden zari border highlighted, and this one is full base part, very nice one, elegant looks, beautiful color combination. These stripes are by matka weaving and muslin with matka weaving design, and this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, muslin pallu with beautiful dhakai work, very nice one, beautiful elegant looks, trendy smart one, based for your festive wear party looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright trendy looks. This one also same material, dhakai jamdani work, matka with muslin combined work, very nice one, beautiful elegant smart looks, bright also, based for your festive wear. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful one, stripes muslin with matka fine stripes, highlighted muslin stripes design with jamdani buta. This one is full base part, this one is matka with muslin fine stripes, and this portion is pure muslin silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta and 1 inch highlighted golden zari border, very nice one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure muslin with golden zari weaving dhakai jamdani work, pallu very nice one, elegant trendy smart looks. This one is full base part, matka with muslin stripes, highlighted pure muslin with jamdani buta. This one is full piece, but this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright festive looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful coffee brown color, very nice one, elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with resham feather like soft resham stripes, pure resham jamdani pallu. And this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka. This one is hand spun matka with resham, pure resham silk sequin stripes design, highlighted full base part. These are resham stripes silk sequin, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with silk sequin stripes design with beautiful jamdani buta, very nice one, elegant looks, silver and golden zari weaving jamdani buta. And this one is exclusive one, this one is split section shivori dye with beautiful resham stripes design. This one is splits portion with silk sequin stripes design. This one is running blouse piece, this one is splits, and this one is upper base part, very nice one, elegant bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy smart looks. Very beautiful one, exclusive collections, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one. This one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is beautiful jamdani work, golden and silver zari combined contrast buta design, full base part, very nice one, pure handloom resham silk, transparent. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful weaving design, pallu very nice one, beautiful one, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design pallu. And this one is pallu end, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful pom-pom design, very nice one, elegant looks. This one is full base part, very exclusive one, beautiful buta work, pure resham silk, transparent. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy bright outstanding festive looks. This one also, same material, different color, very exclusive, beautiful color combinations also. Silver zari weaving buta design and pure resham silk, pure handloom resham silk, premium quality. And this one is full base part, beautiful silver zari weaving design buta. This one is full base part, pure resham silk, transparent. And this one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful one, hand weaving, fine hand weaving jamdani work. Beautiful, smart, trendy looks, very elegant also. This one is full base part, beautiful color combination. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece and pure resham silk, transparent with beautiful silver zari hand weaving jamdani buta. And pallu in this beautiful pom-pom design, exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving, Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, smart looks. This one also beautiful one, pure handloom handspun matka, soft, comfortable, very elegant, trendy looks also. This one is full base part, beautiful color. This one is full base part, pure handloom handspun matka with beautiful Sivori dye, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, pure resham silk sequence stripes design. And this one is beautiful Sivori printed one, full base, very nice one, elegant looks, smart, trendy one. This one is full base part, pure handloom handspun matka silk sequin highlighted stripes with beautiful Sivori print. This one is running blouse piece, plain. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with silk sequin stripes design with beautiful jamdani buta, very nice one. And pallu in this beautiful pom-pom designer pom-pom. And this one is pure resham silk with beautiful jamdani buta silk sequin stripes. And this one is full base part, very smart, elegant, beautiful looks, beautiful color combinations also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. Very smart looks, soft, sober, smart looks, premium quality, pure handloom cotton slab material, silver zari border with beautiful batik printed one, very nice one, elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is border portion, silver zari border with beautiful batik printed one. And this one is full base part, beautiful hand batik print. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with silver zari stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu. And this one is full base part, very bright, beautiful, elegant color combinations. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, silver zari border. And this one is full base, very nice one, running blouse piece, batik printed border. And this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful weaving, small weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, soft, comfortable, pure handloom cotton fabric, khadi cotton with beautiful checks pattern and beautiful weaving, hand weaving buta design also. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. This one is border portion, contrast color border, pure cotton fabric. And full base part is checks with beautiful multicolor weaving buta design, very nice one, elegant, soft, comfortable, very soft, comfortable one, very elegant looks also. This one is full base part, baby pink shade. This one is running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design, hand weaving jamdani work, pallu, highlighted stripes pattern with beautiful jamdani design, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, see, printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, summer looks. This one also very beautiful one, very elegant looks also, of white base with hand weaving work, balachuri work. This one is border portion, very exclusive looks. This one is full base part, pure handloom khadi cotton, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton, and this one is beautiful hand weaving border design, fully hand weaving. This one is beautiful fine buta work, balichuri buta, and this one is pallu part, very exclusive one, heavy weaving design, fully hand weaving, heavy work pallu. Very elegant trendy looks. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, pure handloom khadi cotton, premium quality khadi cotton with hand weaving buta design, very exclusive one. This one is border portion, based for your festive looks also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful weaving buta design, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive trendy smart elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, bright looks, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful golden zari, silver zari with red contrast threaded weaving design, border portion. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, beautiful one, highlighted maroon shaded piping and fully hand weaving jamdani floral pattern. Border portions, very nice one. This one is full base part and this one is beautiful heavy weaving design, jamdani weaving design, border portion, bottom portion, and this one is running blouse piece, and upper portion is silver with contrast red weaving design, border portion, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving floral pattern, jamdani work. Base is black, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful hand weaving jamdani pallu, and border portion is very exclusive one. And this one is upper border, silver zari with red contrast weaving, very exclusive one. This one is fully border portion, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks. Same material, beautiful one, off-white base with golden zari, golden with red contrast zari weaving design, very nice one. Premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful weaving design, border portion. This one is full base part, off-white base, and this one is border portions, fully contrast color red with green contrast weaving design, jamdani work, border portion. This one is fully beautiful border, fully hand weaving design, and this one is upper portion golden zari with red contrast weaving design, border portion, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy jamdani work, same floral pattern, jamdani design pallu, very nice one, bright beautiful festive looks, elegant also. This one is border portion, this one is pallu, and this one is upper base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy beautiful exclusive festive looks. Very beautiful one, bright looks, navy blue, bright navy blue shade with beautiful hand weaving golden zari weaving buta work, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful work. This one is full base part, very beautiful hand weaving buta design, full base, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks, bright also. This one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design, pallu fully hand weaving jamdani work, pallu design, and this one is full base part, based for your festive looks, party looks, very nice one. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, linen Banarasi premium quality pure handloom natural fabric, linen by linen with beautiful Banarasi weaving design, fully hand weaving Banarasi work. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, fully hand weaving heavy Banarasi work border, fully hand weaving design Banarasi border, and this one is full base part, fine weaving buta design, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari weaving design, pallu very exclusive one, based for your festive looks, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric, linen by linen with beautiful Banarasi design. This one is border portion, and this one is full base part, very nice one, elegant, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, gorgeous party looks, festive looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with sivori printed and contrast color border, resham pallu, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, contrast color border, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, feather like soft, and this one is beautiful sivori, full base part, sivori printed, full piece or bright orange shade, and this one is full piece for running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with beautiful silver zari hand weaving jamdani design, and pallu in this beautiful pom-pom design by beads, and this one is beautiful resham pallu with jamdani work, and this one is full base part, pure handloom, hand spun matka with shivori dye. And I will suggest this silk material, printed, digital printed with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, trendy looks. This one also a very beautiful one, based for your festive looks, premium quality, pure handloom, silk lane with Banarasi weaving border design, and pallu beautiful bright orange shade, soft, comfortable. This one is full base part, bright orange shade, and this one is silver zari weaving design border portion, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully weaving design, heavy weaving design, Banarasi work, and this one is border portion, heavy weaving Banarasi weaving design, this one is border, beautiful hand weaving Banarasi border, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, silk lane material, and this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. Also very beautiful, elegant color combination, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, sivori dye, contrast border, resham pallu, same, very exclusive one, beautiful color combination. This one is full base part, beautiful sivori printed one, full base, and this one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, very elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, and beautiful pom-pom design also pallu end, and this one is hand weaving, fully hand weaving jamdani work, and base is pure handloom, hand spun matka with sivori dye. And I will suggest this silk material, premium quality silk material, digital printed weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also very bright one, silk linen material with beautiful weaving design, heavy weaving design, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen with golden and silver zari combined weaving work. This one is full base part, bright black shade with silver zari highlighted golden zari weaving design border portion, and this one is full base part, beautiful silver and golden zari contrast weaving design buta work, full base, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu, and this one is border portions, very exclusive, beautiful one, fully silver zari weaving buta design, highlighted golden zari stripes lines border, and this one is full piece, very nice one, soft, lightweight, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen material with heavy weaving design. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving work, bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks, gorgeous party looks, festive looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton, black base with golden zari weaving design work, very nice one. This one is full base part, fine weaving design, golden zari weaving design, buta buta work, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, golden weaving, golden zari weaving design jamdani work pallu, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton weaving with beautiful jamdani buta, very nice one, bright, beautiful, gorgeous party looks. festive looks, very nice one. And this one is contrast blouse piece, off-white base with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright elegant looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.